there. Trying to keep track of everything in your head can be overwhelming. Creating tasks is a great way of offloading your mind and letting Do It remember things for you. All tasks and events that you create will show up in My Tasks. From here, you have a clear overview of your immediate priorities and what's coming up. So you always know what to do next. Let's look at a design project that we're currently working on. As you can see, it's a variety of tasks, events, and files. Let's add another task. We'll set it for today at 5 p.m. and mark it as important. You can also assign tasks by using the Assign button to the right. In this example, we'll leave it empty. When we return to the My Tasks view, you will see the new task appearing under Today. Any tasks without a due date will show up under Later. Filters are important because as you add more tasks in Do It, it gets harder to find what you need. To show tasks related to specific work or projects, click the corresponding label in the left sidebar. You can also filter using tags. For example, to view tasks marked as Priority 1 or In Progress, just click the desired tag icon. That's all for this time.